Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some of the best soft snickerdoodles that you've ever tasted. These cookies are perfect for any occasion and they're so easy to make, anyone can do it. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any delicious recipes. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of softened butter, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 cup of sugar plus 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon for the cookie coating. Begin by whisking together the dry ingredients, flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Beat the softened butter and sugar in a stand mixer or with a hand mixer until light and fluffy. Add the egg yolk, and vanilla. Beat until combined, scraping down the sides of the bowl if necessary. Next, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients 1 cup at a time, mixing in between until the cookie dough forms. Prepare the cookie coating by combining 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon in a small bowl. Use a cookie scoop to measure the dough for each cookie, then drop it in the cinnamon sugar mixture and roll it around to coat. Use your hands to roll the cookie dough into a ball and place it on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet about 2 inches apart. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 8 to 12 minutes. Allow the cookies to rest on the baking sheet for 10 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Cool the cookies completely before storing. I hope you enjoy these bakery-style snickerdoodles as much as I do. The recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version on my website. Make sure to visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more recipes, and I'll see you next time.